Hello students, in this video we will be solving exercise 8.2 from the chapter Perimeter, Area and Volume. First question, find the area of rectangles whose length L and breadth B are given below. First question, L equals to 9 cm, B equals to 5 cm. First let us represent area of rectangle as A of R. Now the formula to find out the area is L into B, that is length into breadth. Here in the question length is given and breadth is given. So length is 9, breadth is 5. 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. Centimeter into centimeter, so it is centimeter square. So the answer is 45 centimeter square. Next question, L equals to 13 centimeter, B is equals to 8 centimeter. Area of rectangle equals to L into B. Length is 13, breadth is 8. 13 into 8. 13 into 8 is 8 3s are 24. 8 1s are 8 plus 2 10. 104 centimeter square. Next question, L equals to 15 centimeter, B equals to 9 centimeter. Area of rectangle A of R equals to length into breadth. Length is 15, breadth is 9. Multiply 15 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 1s are 9 plus 4 13. So answer is 135 centimeter square. Next question, D. L equals to 22 centimeter, breadth equals to 19 centimeter. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. Length is 22, breadth is 19. Multiply 22 into 19. 22 into 19. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19 into 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. 8. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So answer is 418. 418 centimeter square. Next question, L equals to 25 m, B equals to 8 m. Area of rectangle equals to L into B equals to length is 25 into breadth is 8. 25 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So answer is 200. Here we have meter. So meter into meter is meter square. Next question, L equals to 10.5 meter, B equals to 5.5 meter. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth equals to 10.5 into breadth is 5.5. Multiply 10.5 into 5.5. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5 into 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5. Decimal point after 2 digits. So it is 57.75 m into m meter square. Next main, find the area of the squares whose measurement of sides are given below. First question, 10 m. Now here we have to find out the area of square. Let's represent area of square as A of S. Formula to find this is side into side. Now here side is given, that is 10. So 10 into 10 equals to 10 tens are 100. 100 m. M is meter square. Next question B. 19m. Area of square equals to side into side equals to 19 into 19. Multiply 19 into 19. 9 nines are 81. 9 ones are 9 plus 8. 17. 1 nines are 9. 1 ones are 1. 1. 7 plus 9 is 16. 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. 361. Answer is 361. M into M is meter square. C. 2.5 m. Area of square equals to side into side. Side is 2.5 into 2.5. Multiply 2.5 into 2.5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 12 into 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. Decimal point after 2 digits. So it is 6.25 meter. So it is meter into meter, meter square. Next question D. 25 centimeter. Area of square equals to side into side. Side is given 25 into 25. Multiply 25 into 25. 25 into 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 12 into 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 5 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. 625. So answer is 625 centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Next question E. 39 centimeter. Area of square equals to side into side. 39 into 39. Multiply 39 into 39. 9 nines are 81. 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 8, 35. 3 nines are 27. 3 threes are 9 plus 2, 11. 7 plus 5 is 12. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So answer is 1521 centimeter into centimeter. So centimeter square. Next question F. 8.3 m. Area of square is side into side equals to 8.3 into 8.3. Multiply 8.3 into 8.3. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. So 24. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 2, 66. 9. 4 plus 4, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 6. Decimal point after 2 digits. So answer is 68.89 meter square. Next question G. 13 m. Area of square equals to side into side equals to 13 into 13. Multiply 13 into 13. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3 into 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1. 9. 3 plus 3, 6. 1. So answer is 169 meter square. Next question H. 28 m. area of square equals to side into side, 28 into 28, multiply 28 into 28, 28 into 28, 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16 plus 6, 22, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 4, 6 plus 2 is 8, 5 plus 2 is 7. So answer is 784 meter into meter, meter square. Next question, I 74m, area of square equals to side into side, 74 into 74 equals to, multiply 74 into 74, 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are 28 plus 1 29, 7 4s are 28, 7 7s are 49 plus 2 51, 6, 9 plus 8 is 17, 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 4. So answer is 5476 meter into meter is meter square. Next question, J 8.5m, area of square equals to side into side equals to 8.5 into 8.5, multiply 8.5 into 8.5, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42 into 8 5s are 40, 8 8s are 64 plus 4, 68, 5, 2, 4 plus 8 is 12, 6 plus 1 is 7, decimal point after 2 digits. So answer is 72.25 meter into meter, meter square. Next question, find the length of a rectangular park whose area is 672 meter square and breadth is 21 meter. Here we have to find the length of a rectangular park. Here in this question, area is already given, that is 672 meter square. Breadth is given 21 meter. So we have to find out length. First let's write the formula to find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. Here breadth is given and area is given. Area is 672 meter square equals to length, they have not given, so write L as it is, into breadth. Breadth is 21. We'll keep 672 as it is. Multiply 21 into L, 21L. Shift the right hand side to the left hand side. 21L equals to 672. We'll keep L as it is, and when we we'll keep L as it is. When we get 21 to the left hand side, it becomes 672 by 21. Divide this, 21 outside, 672 inside. 21 3s are 63. 67 minus 63 is 4. Bring down to 21 2s are 42. 42 minus 42 is 0. So answer is 32. So length is 32 m. Next question, which of the following quadrilaterals has a larger area and by how much? First is a rectangle of length 25 cm and breadth 21 cm. Second, a square of side 22 cm. Here we have two quadrilaterals, one is rectangle and one is square. First we have to find out the area of rectangle, then we have to find out the area of square, then compare both quadrilaterals and find out which one is larger and by how much. First, let us find out area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 25, breadth is 21. Multiply 25 into 21. 25 into 21. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 5, 2, 5. Area of rectangle is 525 centimeter into centimeter, so centimeter square. Next, let's find out area of square. Area of square is side into side. Side is given 22 into 22. Multiply 22 into 22. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 4. So area of square is 484 centimeter square. Now compare area of rectangle and area of square. 525 is larger than 484. So area of rectangle is greater. And by how much? So we should subtract 525 minus 484. 525 minus 484. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 8 we can't. So borrow. This becomes 4. This becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. So 41. Therefore, area of rectangle is greater or larger by 41 centimeter square. Next question, the perimeter of a square is 34 meter. Find its area. Here we have to find out the area of the square. Let's write the formula for area of square. Area of square is side into side. But here we do not have side. So first we have to find out side. Perimeter of square. Let's denote perimeter of square as POS equals to 34 m. To find out side, we have to divide the given perimeter of square with 4 because a square has 4 sides and perimeter of square is the total of 4 sides. So, side equals to 34 divided by 4. Let's divide 4 outside, 34 inside. 4 8s are 32. 34 minus 32 is 2. Put a decimal point, add a 0. 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. 8.5. Now we found out one side is 8.5. Area of square is side into side. Area of square is side into side. 8.5 into 8.5. Multiply 8.5 into 8.5. 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 2 is 42 into 8 5s are 40. 8 8s are 64 plus 4. 68. 5 2 12. 6 plus 1 is 7. Decimal point after 2 digits. 72.25 meter square. So area of square is 72.25 meter square.